Hi guys, welcome back to Bitesize Excel. In this short video, we're going to take a look at the max and the min functions in Excel. Now essentially what these functions do is they return the largest and the smallest numerical value in a range of values. The function ignores any empty cells such as true and false and text values. So looking at this coursework spreadsheet, what we want to do is we want to use the max function to find the maximum score within this list and the minimum function to find the lowest score. So to do this, it's equals max, open your brackets, select your list. Now because max and min ignore any text values, you can select the heading as well. And then close your brackets to finish your function, and you'll find that 89 is the largest score within this list, which if we scroll down, yes it is. Equally, we can use min to find the smallest one, selecting the whole lot again, pressing enter, and you'll find that 53 is the lowest score. Again, scrolling down, you can see that that's the case. Now, because we haven't made these absolute functions, we can simply drag it across to then find the maximum and the minimum of this column. Which again, if we look 83, that's the highest score in there, and 51, yes, that's the lowest. So this has been a quick introduction to max and min. They're very, very useful functions. However, in the next video, we're also going to look at two other functions, large and small, and how in some ways these can be even more useful than max and min. If there's any other topics you'd like to see in future videos, please do leave me a comment below, and I do look forward to seeing you in the next video.